How to buy Qatar Airways Avios. Buying Qatar Airways Avios can help you top up your balance for award flights, upgrades, and other travel perks. Here's a structured guide on how to buy Avios through Qatar Airways Privilege Club safely and efficiently. What are Qatar Airways Avios? Avios are the loyalty currency used by Qatar Airways Privilege Club, allowing members to redeem points for flights, seat upgrades, extra baggage, and other travel benefits. Why buy Avios? Buying Avios is beneficial when you're close to a redemption but need additional points, want to secure award flights, or take advantage of promotional offers for discounted redemptions or upgrades. How to buy Avios? Log into your Qatar Airways Privilege Club account, go to the Buy Avios section, choose the number of Avios you need, and complete your purchase using a valid payment method. Cost of Avios. Avios are sold at a set price per point with tiered pricing based on the quantity purchased. Promotions often offer bonus Avios or discounts, providing better value for your purchase. Annual purchase limits. Qatar Airways imposes a maximum limit on how many Avios you can buy each calendar year. Check your account for current limits before purchasing. Take advantage of promotions. Qatar Airways frequently runs promotions offering bonus Avios or discounted rates. Buying during these promotions increases your points balance at a lower cost. Best uses for purchased Avios. Purchased Avios are most valuable when redeemed for premium cabin flights, long-haul international routes, or partner airline redemptions, offering higher value than short-haul flights or lower-class tickets. Risks of buying Avios. Points devaluation is a risk, as frequent flyer programs can change redemption rates. Avoid buying Avios without a specific redemption in mind to prevent losses due to devaluation. Maximizing value from Avios. Redeem Avios for business and first-class flights, especially on Qatar Airways, Kuwait, and partner airlines, to get the best value. Monitor redemption charts and promotions for high-value opportunities. Buying Qatar Airways. Avios is a strategic move for frequent flyers looking to enhance their travel experience. By purchasing during promotions and using Avios for high-value redemptions, you can maximize your rewards and enjoy premium travel benefits.